Good morning, class. Welcome to Ecstasy English Learner. This is Chakradhar sir here. In today's lecture video, I shall be teaching you about the Independence Day speech. आज हम इंडिपेंडेंस डे स्पीच के ऊपर कुछ जानकारी हासिल करेंगे, कैसे इंडिपेंडेंस डे में स्पीच बोलते हैं. As you can see in the video, I have written here and I am going to read this speech aloud. Respected principal sir, और कुछ बच्चे हेडमास्टर लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है, हेडमिस्ट्रेस भी लिख सकते हैं. Respected principal sir, all my lovable teachers, my classmates and my loving brothers and sisters. Today we are gathered here to celebrate 75th years of Independence Day. Today entire country is celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Entire country is echoed with Har Ghar Tiranga. It is a red letter day in the history of India. School, college and different government and private institutions are celebrating this national festival pompously. Today, we should feel proud for Draupadi Murmu, who is now the President of India as well as the first citizen. She belonged to a very poor family whose childhood is spent in the village with the tribal people, though she belongs to a tribal family. Her childhood education is completed in the district of Mayurbhanj, which is a Adivasi or we can say tribal dominated district. Everything became possible due to her willpower and incessant effort. Britishers ruled India for almost 200 years. After a long freedom struggle and many sacrifices, India was declared free from British rule on 15th of August 1947. This Independence Day, let us remember the freedom fighters who dedicated their lives for the freedom struggle. Mahatma Gandhi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bhagat Singh, Sarojini Naidu, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mangal Pandey, Khudram Bose, Lala Lajpat Rai, Joyraj Guru, Tantiya Tope, Jawaharlal Nehru and many others who sacrificed their lives for the nation's interest. Bhagat Singh said, "They may kill me, but they cannot kill my ideas." Mahatma Gandhi said, "I want freedom for the full expression of my personality." Father of Indian Constitution, Dr. Ambedkar said, "Freedom of mind is the real freedom. A person whose mind is not free, though he may not be in chains, is a slave, not a free man. One whose mind is not free, though he may not be in prison, is a prisoner and not a free man. One whose mind is not free, though alive, is no better than dead." So, freedom of mind is the proof of one's existence. I do conclude my speech here. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bharat Mata ki Jai.